everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of the Clean and Clear foaming face wash. So this face wash has been my best friend since my school days and I really love this one. So if you wanted to know how this face wash works on me and what the other details about this face wash and my experience and all that, and whether should you use this or not, and which skin type suits this one and which doesn't, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, everyone has a separate skin type and my skin is acne prone and sensitive, and even it is oily, especially my T-zone is really oily. And I am saying this because the products which suits on my skin maybe suits on your skin if you are of my skin type. So I am just letting you know that. And guys, this face wash is my best friend since my school days, as I have told you, because I have used this face wash so much and for so long, and I can't even tell you how much bottle I have emptied up of this face wash because I really love this one and this really suits on my skin, because as I have really acne prone skin, and I even tried some other face washes before using this and even after using this, and I thought that I should give the other face washes a try, but none of them suits me because I have tried the Himalaya Neem face wash and the Garnier one and some other, I didn't remember all, but I remembered that while using the other face washes I got more acne, but then I switched back again to this one, and thankfully the acne were lesser then, and I really love this one for that. And after using this, my skin feels totally oil free because this is a oil free face wash and this doesn't clog your pores as it claims, and it really doesn't clog your pores. I really love this one, and this is a 100 ml bottle and it retails for 120 rupees, and you will get some good discounts in your local stores and even online also. So check on for that, and I will attach the link of this product in the description box below of Amazon, Flipkart or Nykaa or wherever I got the link. So if you want to buy this online, you can surely go and check the link out, and you can easily find this in your local stores for sure. And as you can see, I have almost emptied this one also. So this also comes with the smaller version. I think this is the smallest of this. So this is a 20 ml bottle and it retails for 20 rupees, and I remember I got this on 15 rupees only, and this is very small and it is really good for traveling. So if you want to carry your face wash while traveling, you can surely purchase this one. And even if you want to try the face wash for the first time, I will suggest you to buy the smaller one because you don't know whether it's going to suit you or not. And I think that if you have dry skin, you shouldn't use this one because then your skin maybe feel a little more drier than before, because it removes all the oil from your face. And as I have said that I am really oily at my T-zone, so I really like this one because it removes the oil and my skin feels fresh, and I really love this one. This also comes in the morning energy variants, so they have a lot more variants, but I have also tried them, but I didn't love them as I love this one. I like them, they are not bad also, but this one is the best. I think this is the original foaming face wash. And as you guys know that Johnson & Johnson is popular for their baby care range, so you can guess that these products are very gentle on your skin, and when you use this face wash, it really forms a nice lather and it feels really very good, especially the oily skin girls. I will really suggest this face wash to you. Go for the smaller one, and if you like it, go for the bigger version. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share these videos with your friends. They also might want to have a good face wash for them. And also comment down below what you think of my videos. That will really make my day, and I really feel special if you comment down below and share your comments with me and what you think of my videos. And if you have any suggestions for my further videos, let me know in the comment section below. And even if you don't like my videos or anything you don't like about my videos, you can also feel free to share your comment. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The link will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay tuned, stay happy and stay safe. Bye bye guys.